Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best Husqvarna chainsaw you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best Husqvarna chainsaw in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Husqvarna 445E2 gas chainsaw. If you're in the market for an Husqvarna chainsaw that's not as large or strong as the ones we've reviewed earlier, the 18-inch model could be the better choice. It has the same X-Torque engine that was engineered to improve efficiency and reduce harmful emissions. It also includes a chain with X-Cut and an X-Force bar that provide greater cutting power as well as a greater lifespan. It's powered by the 50.3cc engine and has plenty of cutting power to tackle the smaller saplings or trees you'll need to get rid of. It's also perfect for trimming. It also has a simple chains tensioning mechanism that makes it simple to adjust as you work on the job. Automatic chain oiler delivers a steady supply of bar and chain oil for safe and effective use. Simple, side-mounted chain tensioning system allows for quick chain adjustments while working. For details, let's watch more. Our second best Husqvarna chainsaw is Husqvarna 20-inch 455 Rancher gas chainsaw. Husqvarna is a name which is known for its wide selection of reliable and powerful chainsaws, and this one is of the most powerful made by the company. It features a 20 bar that is powered by 2-stroke 55.5cc engine that gives plenty of the power to handle virtually anything you'll require to use it for. It's suitable for felling any but the largest trees, clearing branches or performing basic pruning tasks. It comes with features like Smart Start that make it simpler to begin and finish the task, centrifugal air injection cleaning to prolong life, and low-vib anti-vibration technology that helps minimize fatigue for users. Comes with Husqvarna chainsaw bar cover and 2.6-ounce bottle of pre-mix fuel included. Bar and chain oil must be purchased separately. Automatic chain oiler delivers a steady supply of bar and chain oil for safe and effective use. Simple, side-mounted chain tensioning system allows for quick chain adjustments while working. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Husqvarna 445E2 gas chainsaw. This is a different Husqvarna chainsaw that has several characteristics that help make it an extremely reliable and known brand. It features the X-Torque engine, which increases efficiency and lowers emissions. It includes Husqvarna's air injection cleaning system to keep the interior free of dust. It comes with Smart Start technology, which allows it to be easier to start up than other machines, as well as has a cylinder cover that snaps shut that makes it faster and more convenient to change the spark plug and clean the inside. The engine and starter have been designed so the machine starts quickly with minimum effort. Combined start-stop switch, Smart Start and fuel pump make the saw very easy to start. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Husqvarna 435E2 gas chainsaw. The tool comes with a lot of the useful features that are found in other chainsaws from Husqvarna's line but in a smaller size. It's powered by an 40.9cc engine with an 16 bar, which makes it ideal for garden maintenance and smaller pruning tasks. It comes with an inertia-activated chain brake system to ensure security as in addition to an automatic oiling system, which means that you don't have to be reminded to oil the chain. All you need to do is to ensure that the reservoir of oil is filled with. Because it is a smaller unit, it's easier to manage and easy to operate even for those without the strength or size required to operate some of the larger Husqvarna models. Orange Husqvarna chainsaw bar cover and 2.6-ounce 2-cycle fuel included. Bar and chain oil must be purchased separately. Automatic chain oiler delivers a steady supply of bar and chain oil for safe and effective use. Simple, side-mounted chain tensioning system allows for quick chain adjustments while working. The quick-release air filter facilitates easy cleaning and replacement of the air filter. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best Husqvarna chainsaw list is Husqvarna 18-inch 460 Rancher gas chainsaw. If you're in search of an Husqvarna chainsaw which is among the best of their line in regards to power and size, the model 460 could be the perfect choice. It's powered by a 2-stroke 60.3cc engine that has the power to cut that many people would ever require. It also comes with several of the most useful features found in Husqvarna's lineup. The Smart Start technology makes it easy to start up, while the air injection air cleaning system makes sure that the inside remains free of dirt and comes with a chain brake system to guard your investment in the event of an incident of kickback. The X-Torque engine has been engineered to improve efficiency while decreasing emissions, which makes it less harmful to the environment, as well as the air filter that is quick release helps make it easy for you to wash and maintain. For details, let's watch more.